guys, welcome back to the Most Wanted Travel channel. We are now at the state of Johor, which is south of Peninsular Malaysia, for our golf trip here. And it is our very first time staying in Anantara resorts, and we have chosen it because we have never experienced before, but we are super excited to show you the facilities and also the services they provided to us. It has been a long time since we did our last ever room tour. We are very excited to show you again and to show you a new resort that we are going to recommend you. So when you come from the door itself, on the left side there's a bathroom and changing area. And they have this big walk-in wardrobe to put all your stuff. I love that they have actually two different types of bathrobes for you to choose. And both of them, they have this Anantara logo on it. Also, I realized something really special, which is a yoga mat in the room itself, where I don't really see it in anywhere because people don't really provide it in the hotel. You can work out during your holidays. And yes, they have toilet and shower room separated, as usual. So going here, there is a double vanity that they provided, which is really nice. I don't have to fight. I can just use my own with Vincent. And on top of it, I saw that they actually gave us this COVID care kit with wipes and face masks. Just it's a very basic things that they provide for the pandemic right now. And of course, sanitizers as a necessity. Let's see what they have here for the toiletries, toothbrush, some vanity kit and cotton buds. And of course, I love that they have this after sun lotion and a normal body lotion for you to keep yourself hydrated and your skin being really nice even though you have a long day at the sun. And all of their lotions are of jasmine fragrance, and if you like them, you really love it. So actually, this is my favorite thing of the Bahru itself. There's plenty of sunlight coming in from the window outside. But if you're wondering if there's no mirror, actually there is a mirror here, but they are hidden just to allow natural sunlight to come in. It's like a double-sided mirror right here. And of course, you can just open it whenever you want more sunlight to come into your bathroom. Yep, there is a bathtub, which is quite spacious enough. You won't feel very squeezy. Also, I realized they provide these body scrubs for you and also their very own bath salt from ilang. Ilang is one type of essential oils and plants. And it smells really nice, and it's going to make your whole experience really good with all this jasmine fragrance, lotions, conditioners, and body wash. So let's go to the room itself. They have this full-length body mirror for you, which is really great. And voila, this is our room. Actually, for Anantara's bedroom design, it's a very typical kind of resort room vibe. So they have these wooden elements and deep yellow lights to enhance the whole resort staycation vibe. And they have this, of course, a huge king bed here for you to sleep, for you to have a good night's sleep at night. And in front of that, they have a couch for you to relax and chill during the afternoon, or you can just like have a wine at night. Besides the coffee table that they actually have a real dining table on the right side here for you. And I really love their handwritten cards. It is really sweet of them doing this by providing 2 handwritten cards. They also prepared this fruits and also some lotion quiz for you after you check in. Going on to the mini bar itself, they have this coffee machine, which is perfect for Vincent, which is a coffee lover. Some coffee capsules here, and of course drinking waters so that you can keep yourself super hydrated after a day of sun. And please remember to drink a lot of water.
So they actually have 2 written cards over here, and one is from the general manager and one is from the PR manager. And look at them, it's really beautiful. It's the photo of the resort itself. This is, I believe, is the main building and the mini swimming pool of this Anantara resort. And the next one is actually a dinner by the beach that's set up with them and looks really romantic with the candlelights, right? And by the beach. And another thing, it's really nice, it's as you can see, this bird cage over here, because of COVID hygiene issue, they also wrap up with the plastic wrap over here just to make sure that okay, it does not expose to the air. And it's really nice of them, and come with the fruit as well. I believe these are the fruits from the local market.
Actually, the room now here that we are staying is not the basic standard room. We actually wanted something nice because we wanted to unwind, we wanted to have the nicest view here in the resort. And this is the most exciting part of the room itself. And let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's open the curtain itself. They have a really spacious balcony right here. And of course here there's some sofas for you to chill and overlooking the ocean. That's really the best part of this room, where I always like to sit here and listening to the waves, you know, like enjoy the sea breeze, and to enjoy this view over here where you can see the whole resort's layout from the swimming pool to the villas out there, and you can see some of the people, they are cycling, where you can see everything here, and it is just so peaceful and it's just so nice. So now we are at the Chumel restaurant having our breakfast. Their breakfast over here is quite good. We can see that there are a lot of variety. I think one thing that I really like about here is that they are not using white plates. So they have even this nice looking plates that actually enhances the dining experience. So it's something very different from any other restaurants they have in any resorts.
So currently right now we are sitting overlooking the swimming pool over here. You know, the weather today is fantastic. It's super sunny. So we will have our breakfast right now. It looks really delicious. We can't wait to try out food over here. Well, can't start a day without coffee. This beautiful view over here. So currently right now we are here at the beach. This beach, it's really huge, long and wide stretch as well. Remind us of Langkawi, similar to Langkawi Penang beach, but it's much more, I would say much more cleaner, lesser crowd as well, because this is actually a private area, I would say, because it's under this Anantara resorts, and can see that, you know, they usually have maintenance around the beach area. It's quite clean, you know, they pick up the rubbish and trash as well. Just that, you know, maybe there's some minors of fallen leaf from the trees, and also woods or plank that got washed up from the ocean. So that's the minor stuff from the oceans, but generally it is clean. The sand, it's not that soft, but it's still okay. It's a bit rough, but it's okay. It's fine to play around. So if you bring your children here, it's safe as well, and the wave is not too strong here. The water, it's quite refreshing. Not really clear, but you can see it's quite clean. There's no debris, trash or anything. It's quite clean. It's almost similar to Langkawi water as well, right? Oh, quite huge. The wave is quite huge. Currently in March, it's still in the middle of the monsoon transitions, which will end in end of March. So sometimes the wave is a bit big because the wind are blowing from the South China Sea. This is directly facing the South China Sea. The most ideal time here to visit here, if you want to have a calmer wave and you know, lesser raining day, after April will be an ideal season. From April onwards, it's basically the end of monsoons already. Unfortunately, this resort is not facing the west, so they don't have a sunset view during the evening. But this is actually facing the east. So if you're a morning person, you know, do wake up early, walk around the beach, and enjoy the sunrise from here. And beside the beach, you know, just around the beach, you can see there's a swing over here under the tree as well. It's a good Instagrammable spot for you, you know, to take photos. And right behind there's another pool area, which is an infinity pool facing the oceans, which is quite nice as well. They have actually two pools over here. One is more family oriental, just next to the main building, and another one it's right here next to the beach. So you got to choose between these two pools and which one you want to dip into. And usually the one next to the beach, it's lesser crowd. I would say it's more to couples. If you are adults, you want a quiet place, quiet swimming pool just to get some tan, read your books, this is the ideal swimming pool for you. But if you are bringing kids, you want to play around with your kids and so on, the one next to the main building is the ideal one. They also provide bicycle for you to go around the resorts. It's not big, but if let's say you prefer to ride a bike than walking around, you can actually hop on a bike and go around the resort. So that's the Anantara resort that we showed you around earlier. So actually this is our first time staying here in the Anantara resorts around the world. So they have a few properties, a lot of them in Thailand and around the world as well, and in Maldives as well. I think the Maldives one is quite the famous one, the popular one. And this is also our first time visit here in Desaru Coast, and it have completely changed our mindset, because initially we thought that this is just another beach area, just like Port Ikson, or Sepang Gold Coast, nothing much to see. But actually the ocean here is quite nice, and they also have golf course, which is really beautiful, world-class level golf course. So it's really worth visiting here in Desaru. So if you manage to
Pay a visit here.
visit here in Malaysia, do a trip here and down south to Desaru Coast, or you are planning to do a domestic trip, travel around Malaysia, this is also one of your must visit place as well in the future.
Yeah, so I would say it's our first time in Anantara, and next time of course we wanted to stay in more brands and in a resort like that. So if you have any suggestions that you wanted us to review, of course you can comment down below. And of course, every time happy times always pass really fast, and today we are going to check out. And of course, we're going to see you very soon in our next travel video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and share if you can. And of course, if you want to look at our nice pictures, please follow our Instagram, and we'll see you in our next travel video.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys again. Bye.